Many individuals are presently surrendering their vehicles and changing to bicycle drives day to day. Perhaps you wish to ride tracks that are scarcely open with an ordinary trail-blazing bicycle. From the city streets to the ocean side, a decent quality e-bicycle will permit you to navigate serenely on each way, regardless of where the excursion takes you. With the assistance of these electric bicycles, you might go to your objective without puffing, gasping, and perspiring. E-bikes are an extraordinary speculation for individuals who are new to wellness as well as the people who need to take riding somewhat farther to improve for wellness purposes. So let's get started and enjoy this video. All products links are given in the description box. Number 1. VELOWAVE 750W Fat Tire Electric Bike. VELOWAVE bike outline is made of 6061 aluminum for a strong development. Meanderer updated electric bicycle with the 750W BAFANG engine, solid and strong. LG cells battery has a more extended utilizing life to fulfill the interest of long-reach travel. Kenda 26 inches *4.0 fat tire can smooth riding on tough landscapes. Step-through plan is ideal counterpart for all. How about we appreciate riding it? The e-bike accompanies 48V15 LG Li particle huge limit battery accomplishes a scope of up to 30 to 50 plus miles per full charge, 50 plus miles by pedal and 30 plus miles by throttle. The removable battery configuration permits the battery to be charged inside or in the workplace. The electric bike for grown-up has proficient Shimano 7-speed drivetrain, which is more exact and stable. At tire can ride flawlessly on unpleasant landscape and give more agreeable and safe riding experience. Number 2. 750W Foldable Electric Bicycle. This e-bike for adults 750W motor, 12.8 Ah battery, can travel 35 miles in pure electric mode and 70 miles in pedal assist mode. We adapt LG brand battery that has longer lifetime and ultra endurance. 3 different operating modes can meet different riding habit and needs. 20x4.0 anti-skid fat tires provide greater grip and traction to conquer rough terrain easily. Equipped with ultra-bright LED headlight, you can see the road more clearly. 12.8 Ah large capacity LG battery quality lifespan and built-in waterproof design. With LCD display, battery status and riding conditions can be seen at a glance. This mountain e-bike is perfect for commuting, off-road adventures, weekend spins around the city. Number 3. Walk X3 Pro Electric Bike. The top speed of this X3 Pro 2023 electric bike has been upgraded to 32 miles per hour thanks to the powerful upgraded 750-watt brushless rear hub motor, outputting continuous strong power which provides a ton of power uphills and across challenging terrain. The battery can be charged while in the frame or when removed. Recommend rider heights 5 feet 6 inches to 6 feet 5 inches. Constructed of aircraft 6061 aluminum seamless welding frame, the 2023 version is more solid and larger to hit in a more large capacity battery. Large screen advanced display comes with a USB charging port for cell phone charging, a full color screen showing mileage, speed, battery capacity, PA level 1 to 5, light on/off indicator, etc. Kenda 26x 4.0-inch fat tires for all terrain and comfort are great for handling various rough surfaces, combined with the 100mm travel hydraulic front fork and the center shocker. You can expect better handling sorts of terrain, improved cornering capabilities, and an overall smooth as air riding experience.